Hey y'all, formerly known as Mental Nomad, and now I'm going to be known as Mental Breakdown. Please note the change. Mental Breakdown. Makes sense, huh? Anyway, I still feel some of y'all aren't mad enough about all of the shit that is happening in our country. So, I found something that will make all of us non-billionaires mad as fuck. If the government does go into a shutdown at the end of January, your tax refund could be held hostage. And I actually did a video about a month or so ago when I said that I was afraid that this would happen in January. So, well, here we are, and there is a big possibility. Democratic senators are vowing to oppose a funding bill for the Department of Homeland Security, ICE, following the very, very super unnecessary shooting death of a 37-year-old nurse, Alex Pretty, a stand that increases the prospect of a partial government shutdown by the end of the week. Senate Democratic leader Chuck Schumer basically said that what's happening in Minnesota is appalling and that Democrats will not provide the votes to proceed to the appropriations bill if the DHS funding ICE bill is included. Without a deal in place, the U.S. government would likely shut down again. So, how would a government shutdown impact your tax filing? While IRS operations would be limited during the shutdown, the agency stresses that underlying tax laws remain in effect and taxpayers must continue to meet their tax obligations as normal because they want their money but don't know when you're going to get yours. The IRS issued the following guidance. Taxpayers can file their tax return electronically or on paper, although the processing of paper returns will be delayed until full government operations resume. Payments accompanying paper tax returns will still be accepted and deposited as the IRS receives them. What about tax refunds, you ask? Tax refunds, according to the agency, will generally not be paid during a shutdown, with one major exception. Exception for taxpayers is if you file the 1040 form. The refunds will continue to be paid on electronically filed error-free tax returns that can be automatically processed and direct deposited. Mental breakdown. Bye.